Hi friends, welcome to World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Let's see some beautiful antique vintage inspired farmhouse decor. Antique vintage inspired farmhouse decor is a charming decorating style that blends the warmth and simplicity of farmhouse living with the elegance and nostalgia of antique and vintage treasures. It creates a cozy, lived-in atmosphere that feels timeless and full of character, like stepping into a beautifully aged country home. Here is a detailed breakdown. Antique vintage farmhouse decor mixed old world charm with farmhouse practicality. It emphasizes items that have history, patina, and soul, giving your home a story-filled, comforting feel rather than a brand new look. Color palette. The color scheme is soft, muted, and natural, perfect for creating a beautiful rustic setting. Warm whites and creamy tones. Use faded grays and gentle tubes, muted blues, greens, and dusty pastels. Also use natural wood and metal finishes. Key design elements. Distressed furniture. Features that show are like a tipped painted cabinet or weathered oak table. Add instant vintage character. Antique finds. Incorporate genuine or reproduction antiques. Use old clocks, enamel art, wooden crafts, iron bed frames, or vintage mirrors. From house touches, use mason jars, galvanized buckets, wicker baskets, and rustic open shelving. Blend functionality with charm. Mixing areas combine old antiques with more recent farmhouse pieces for an eclectic yet balanced look. Materials and texture. Use authentic natural materials that age beautifully, like reclaimed wood, linen, cotton, burlap, and lace. Also use iron, brass, and galvanized metal, vintage ceramics, and glass. Layering different textures gives warmth and depth to the space. Decorative accents. Vintage sign, old books, and weathered picture frames. Use antique lighting fixtures like lanterns or old iron candlelights. Fresh or dried flowers in old milk jugs or vases. Use handmade textiles like crochet straws, lace curtains, or quilted blankets. The overall feeling is nostalgic, cozy, and homey. It should remind you of simpler times, blending comfort, heritage, and rustic elegance. Perfect for anyone who loves both vintage beauty and the heart of farmhouse living. At its set, antique vintage inspired farmhouse decor celebrates the beauty of the past while keeping things comfortable and livable for today. It is not about creating a museum like space, but rather a home filled with stories, where each piece feels handpicked, loved, and full of personality. Think of it as a blend of antique decor, authentic, historical, old world items. Vintage decor, pieces inspired by earlier decades, often from the 1920s to 1970s. Farmhouse decor, rustic simplicity, warmth, and homestead comfort. Together, they form a timeless countryside elegance that feels both nostalgic and inviting. Mood and aesthetic. The goal is to create a gentle, lived-in look, not polished or perfect. Everything should feel a little aged, a little rustic, and completely full of charm. We will often see soft lighting from old style lamps and candlelight. Muted hues with slightly faded undertones like shade green, dusty rose or pale cream. Comfortable spaces where every item feels useful and meaningful. Furniture styles. Furniture plays a key role in setting the tone. Look for pieces that feel ordered, handmade, or time-worn, nothing too glossy or modern. Examples: farmhouse dining tables made from reclaimed wood, antique dressers or chests with aged hardware, sleep-covered armchairs in neutral linen, iron bed frames with a vintage look. Mix furniture from different eras, a Victorian mirror over a rustic fan table to create a layered, authentic look. Decorative touches that tell a story. Accessories are what truly bring the antique vintage farmhouse vibe to life. Here are some signature accents. Use old clocks, candlesticks, and typewriters. Use vintage crockery, enamel or transfer wire dishes. Antique trunks are wooden chests used for storage or coffee table. Use floral prints, botanical sketches, or faded portraits in distressed frames. Oven baskets full with blankets or flowers. Each item should have a found feel, like it has been passed down or discovered at a countryside market. Blending old and new. A true antique vintage farmhouse interior does not mean everything must be ancient. It is about balance, mixing the charm of old pieces with modern comfort. For example, pair a vintage table with modern upholstered chairs. Add a farmhouse synth with new brass fixtures. Use LED candles in antique holders for both safety and ambience. This mix keeps your space authentic but functional for modern living. Lighting and ambience. Lighting adds warmth and enhances the nostalgic feeling. Go for old iron candlelights, messenger pendants, lantern-style wall sconces, soft white bulbs for a cozy glow. Layer lighting with lamps, candles, and string lights to create a welcoming farmhouse charm. How it makes you feel. An antique vintage-inspired farmhouse home feels peaceful and nostalgic, grounded in history, cozy, authentic, and filled with soul. It is the kind of home that welcomes you with the scent of aged wood, fresh flowers, and soft fabrics, a place where time slows down and every detail tells a story. Let's explore antique vintage-inspired farmhouse decor even more deeply, focusing on its origins, personality, layering techniques, and room-by-room atmosphere, so you can truly understand how this timeless style comes together. When it comes from, the antique vintage farmhouse style has its roots in early rural homes of Europe and America, where families lived simply but beautifully. They used what they had, often handcrafted items, repurposed furniture, and materials passed down through generations. Over time, these homes developed a unique patina, used old, faded fabrics, chipped paint, and that is how designers now try to recreate intentionally. It is about embracing imperfection, authenticity, and sentimental beauty, not perfection or slickness. The personality of the style. This decor style has a soul. It speaks of history. Every item feels like it has a story. Simplicity, nothing flashy, just humble, honest charm. Comfort. Spaces invite relaxation and warmth. Romance. Soft textures, floral prints, lace, and candlelight bring an old-fashioned tenderness. It is a look that feels lived in, loved, and layered. Our memories are as important as design. Room by room feel. First, living room is cozy sofas with slip covers, distressed coffee tables, floral or gingham cushions. Also use old shelves for storage, candlelight, and antique wall art. Kitchen use open shelves with vintage dishes, farmhouse sink and wooden counters, mason jars for storage, hanging pots and copper utensils, oven baskets and fresh flowers. Bedroom use iron bed frames or white painted oud, lace curtains, floral quilts, and soft linen. Use antique dressers and vintage mirrors, candles, old books, and soft lighting. Bathroom use clapboard tubs or pedestal sink, vintage mirrors or baskets for towels, simple linen shower curtains, whitewashed furniture. Signature decorative touches, antique clocks and lanterns, old windows, repurposed as wall art, farmhouse sign with faded lettering. Pressed flowers or botanical prints, crochet table genres and lace towels, use wicker baskets, enamel pictures, and old chairs filled with wildflowers. Every detail should feel handcrafted and soulful, like it carries a whisper from the past. The feeling it creates, living in or decorating with antique vintage farmhouse style feels like walking into a cozy countryside cottage on a misty morning, feeling calm, comforted, and connected to the past, surrounding yourself with pieces that have heart, not just a style. It is about creating a home that feels timeless, humble, and full of character, where every corner tells a story of care, warmth, and simple beauty. The emotional heart of antique vintage farmhouse decor. This decorating style is not just about looks, it is about how it makes you feel. It connects you to heritage, comfort, and timeless beauty. Imagine walking into a home that smells of fresh bread, where sunlight touches an old wooden table, and everything around you feels familiar, safe, and full of history. That is how the antique vintage farmhouse decor does. It tells a story of warmth, family, and authenticity. It beats from a cheap teacup to an old rocking chair, adds to that feeling of lived-in love. Historical influence. The roots of this style comes from rural farmhouses of the 18th and 19th centuries in Europe and North America. Families lived simply and practically, using handmade furniture built to the last. Locally sourced materials like oak, pine, and iron, reused and repurposed household items, use natural colors drawn from the land and the sky. As air passed, these homes are beautifully the old darkened, the paint cracked, and fabrics faded, creating the aged charm that we now to try to recreate through design. Today, antique vintage farmhouse decor honors that tradition while blending in modern comforts and light touches of elegance. Furniture philosophy. Furniture in antique vintage farmhouse decor is not just decorative, it is functional and storied. Look for solid handcrafted wooden pieces with aged marks, distressed finishes that show natural wear, simple silhouettes rather than fancy carvings. Refinished or repurposed antique furniture, like an old chair turned into a headboard. Mixed antiques, floor market finds, and rustic reproductions to create balance. Each item should look like it has lived a life before coming into your home. The spirit of the style, quaint and right, an antique vintage farmhouse home does not just look good, it feels alive, soulful, and peaceful. It is about slowing down life's pace, finding beauty in imperfection, preserving history in everyday living, creating spaces filled with love, warmth, and belonging. This decor style reminds us that home is not just a place, it is a feeling. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.